All right, so I'm at my property over here on Jackson Street. Finna get the roof coming on. That's gonna almost be completely dried in. You see we got the shingles, all that. Not shingles, but tarp going up. Move around, make sure I ain't walking in no mud. That's gonna be a pretty good looking property. Hopefully I can keep this a steady eye on it. See, a steady handle. Before, it was no siding up. As you can see, siding's up right now. You see the white stuff, that's nothing but caulk. So on the exterior paint, you gotta caulk all the holes. That way it looks smooth. If you can caulk it, it'll look a whole heck of a lot better. So the painter's gonna be coming through, caulking all the nail holes that's in the inside of it, smoothing it out so it look good. And we'll go through, get y'all back in the house again. As you can see, it's coming together. It's coming together. So siding went up, AC went in. There go one of the restrooms right here. This is one of the guest restrooms. So it's just a plastic insert, but look good. Still look good, nice and clean. I had a vanity right here. Toilet right there. Here go and continue the hallway. Here's one of the bedrooms. Closet over there. We're in the hallway again. The bedroom, decent sized bedrooms too. Nice ceilings. This is the living room area. So I don't know what, I can't really tell you if it's a dining room, living room, I don't know. But just open concept, that's really the biggest thing, that's what's in. Kitchen right over there from the front door. So I'm gonna walk in like a front door. That way y'all get that whole play. How it's coming along. Closet right here. Oh, so plumbing already hooked in. Okay. So obviously we have a bar come around right here. Cabinets, kitchen cabinets, decent sized kitchen as well, nice and open. Laundry room, got locks on all the doors. Laundry room. Got our master, which is a decent sized master. I'll be honest with you, this thing's only about 1,400 square foot, 1388, but it is put together in the right way for us to benefit from everything. So obviously we got our tub, so it's gonna be a shower right here, standalone shower with a tub, 2 vanities, as you can see. Double vanity right here, hook up for the plumbing, and then you walk into the closet, which will be a pretty decent walk-in closet. This right here is gonna be the hot water heater. So eventually it'll be there, but I just wanted to give you guys an update of the property, see what's going on. So our next phase of this particular project is actually gonna be paint the exterior, and it's gonna be white. I think we're just gonna go to solid white with a black top. I do not know the intricate details of that particular portion, but I believe it's gonna be white with a black top. So that's basically where we're at. They're gonna come through caulking it, then they're gonna paint it, and then you're gonna have run the sheetrock guys right inside once the roof get done. But essentially, we're waiting on this door to be completely dried in. And that's really the most important thing. And I'm gonna tell you the reason why. So right here, it's just a custom door we're gonna have right there. I don't know why we're doing it from the outside, but hey, I'm not complaining. I'm pretty sure somebody did already, but that's a hot water heater, what a hot water heater is gonna be. But once you get everything dried in, the best part about it is work never stops from there, right? So we're going with the MEP inspection. I believe I'm saying that right, but that's where they come in and check the plumbing, the mechanicals, and I believe electricity, right? So we got to make sure everything's done right, the proper way inside the home. But essentially, the best part about having it dried in is work never stop. So contractors, they can come in and keep working. When you're doing the exterior, you're talking about the foundation, the roof, really anything. Weather plays a part, right? You can only work so long because weather plays a part in it. And shoot, if weather plays a part in it, you're gonna have good days and bad days. Right now, we've been having a lot of great days, so we've been able to push through the properties. But once you get it dried in, weather no longer becomes a part because you can essentially hang sheetrock no matter what temperature it is outside, no matter if it's wet or cold, right? Because you're just laying sheetrock. Same thing with flooring, same thing with cabinetry, same thing with really anything inside the house. So that's going to be a plus. Once we get that done, a lot of work is going to start rolling. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks, we can go right on to our next property and we'll be putting that up putting that up and getting the slab poured and then doing this process all over again. Our goal is to crank out about 10 of these before the year end. We realized what our goals was, and it was really higher than that. But the first quarter, we had just got the slab foundation poured. So now we're seeing that for the first time. Now we're trying to turn up the heat, because if we can really pump out some properties, we can really make some money. So that's really the biggest thing. So, hey, until I see you guys next time, keep winning.